So we're coming back here to do an outdoor firearm tour of this place. I repeat, this is an outdoor firearm tour of the Bayside Mall. I'm not going inside though, but I'm staying outside. I already done an inside firearm tour before, and that was a few months back, and you already know what the arms are here, so I'm just going to get them against two Special Advances. I've filmed these many times. I just don't feel like going inside because I got my bike, I don't know where to park it, and all that jazz. So, yep. This will be an outdoor tour this time. Third car coming out, yep. Here's a fire bell. I do not know the brand though. I have no idea what brand it is. Sorry guys, I don't know the brand. I wish I did, but I don't. I'm looking if there's any more. I'm going to film any firearms or any general signaling devices that are here in the outdoor. I think those are more sprinkler type arms. Coming this way. Do I see anything? Nope. There's something over here, I know there is. There's JCPenney's, see, JCPenney's. My legs hurt now, because I'm using it. You know I'm not wearing a mask because I'm not going inside, so I'm staying outside. Plus, I can't go inside without a mask anyways, so no point going in. Oh, I'm at 2 minutes already. That's okay. JCPenney's has closed. Oh, unfortunately. Oh, my legs hurt. There's a JCPenney sign. But it's worth coming out here recording. Isn't it, folks? There's old Target. There's not that many devices, so I think there's only 3 here. Looking for another. There's something over here. I see it now. I think this is another Special Advance, I think, though. Yeah, this looks like an Advance to me. And I hear a train again. I smell food, which I already ate, so. And this might be something different. No, this is an Advance, I think. Yep, this is an Advance. Yep. Another Special Advance. Yep. Trying to see if I see any more devices. I don't think so. That wind. It was brutal, man. That wind is brutal. I'm 4 minutes already. If I see anything else. There's something over here to record. Oh, my legs hurt. I want to get this in all one video, so I hope I don't run out. I wonder if I have a 10-minute limit on this. Somebody's cleaning. Is there anything else? Guys, I'm looking. Moving back here. You only saw two. There's not that many devices. I'm recording this whole time. Should have made it in parts, really. But I don't see nothing else. Oh, no, it was over here actually, I think. It was over here, I think. There was something over here. Then I'm gonna stop my camera because I know there's nothing else after this. There's a bell over here, I think. I think, folks, I think. I know, I think. Okay, where is that one I'm looking? Well, there. No, that's another alarm. It's not a bell. Or is it? No, it's another horn strobe. Another Advance. I thought there was a bell here, but I guess there's not. It's a special Advance. Can't see it though. Yep. Oh, there's a bell right there. Okay, that was a crappy fire alarm, but I'm still gonna upload. Bye, folks.